how accurate is really Alpha 19 tail spot on pocket option on a small time frame? In this video we are going to find out. I'm going to take zigzag strategy on 5-second close and $900 trades. Let's see which type of win rate we can get with this bot. Also, if you find that interesting, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on so you never lose a video just like this one. Also, if you want this free binary option robot that works for desktop and for cell phone for free, you find a link about the video to X and link below the video at YouTube. Now let's start up the bot and let's see which type of win rate we get. So now let's start the bot. Now he will start to collect all the information he needs from the chart. Afterward he starts to collect all the information he needs from the indicator that you're using in this strategy. Also, as you can see that I did change the pair. The reason for that, we always need to keep to the pair that gives us the most. Because often when you are trading, you can change a little how much you're making in percent, and you need to keep the one that gives us the most. So you can see in this case now we have 2 wins, 1 loss. Now we have 3 wins, 1 loss. We have a 75% win rate. That is good in my book. By the way, all the strategies for this robot is optimized with AI. And there we reached our target. 80% win rate, 4 wins, 1 loss. That is good in my book. So yes, we can keep a very high win rate with this bot. So if you want it for yourself, like I said, you find link about the video at X and link below the video at YouTube. And make sure you like this video, and if you have any question, just leave them below the video. I reply to every single question I get. So with that, have an amazing day, and I'll see you on the next.